Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Secure your hair into a low bun or ponytail. Make sure the base is tight so the net sits flat. Take the hair net and stretch it open, then place it over the bun. You want full coverage without tugging. Next, fold the ribbon in half and position the midpoint under the net at the base. This gives even ends to wrap. Once done, hold the ribbon ends and prepare to weave or tie for a clean finish. You now focus on the core technique. Cross the ribbon ends over the net in an X pattern, then continue wrapping each end around the bun, making equal tension so the net stays flat. This prevents gaps. If you prefer decoration, weave the ribbon through the net holes every other pass so it shows on top. Make sure to pin where the ribbon overlaps the net. Place pins into the hair, not the net, to avoid slippage. Once secure, smooth any stray hairs gently. You finish by tying the ribbon ends into a tight knot or bow, and then hide that knot beneath the net or a ribbon loop, so the shape looks intentional. Once tied, trim excess ribbon to avoid bulk and add a single hidden bobby pin through the knot into the bun if the ribbon is heavy. If the net slips, make sure the base isn't too smooth. Add a little texturizing spray or a non-slip band and repin in small increments until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.